Hello, welcome to my demo of A2A, the agent protocol that was released in April 2025 by Google. And I've been somewhat obsessed with this protocol in the healthiest way possible, and have been channeling that into making tools for the general public. And so a few weeks back, I made a server and a client for the A2A protocol, but I felt as if people weren't quite understanding the true purpose of A2A, which is agents delegating tasks to other agents and somewhat acting as independent agents that can work on your behalf. So I wanted to implement a few different servers and a few different clients, and I thought, what if I make a server that is also a client? So I'm calling this the Bidirectional Agent. It can receive A2A tasks as well as request them from other agents. And what I'm going to demonstrate today is how an agent can act as a hub or repository for other agents. So these three different terminals represent different agents within our small A2A network. So they all are actually the exact same bidirectional agent, just with different system prompts. They all have access to the same tools, but we called one the Central Hub, another one the Network Explorer, and another one Knowledge Seeker. And the significance here is that they all run on different ports. So this is somewhat a simulation of something that could happen across the internet. Instead of being on different ports, they could be on different networks entirely, and this whole system would still function. Okay, so let's get into the meat of it. The whole thing that we would like to do is for the Network Explorer to give their agent card to the Central Hub, and then for the Knowledge Seeker to request all of the agents from the Central Hub. So the Knowledge Seeker and the Network Explorer agents don't know of each other, okay? But using the Central Hub, they will be able to communicate. So let's get right into it. So first of all, we will just show that none of these agents know any of the other agents. So all the commands that I'll be running can be run manually, or you can just talk to the agent because it has an LLM running in the background that can interpret these commands. But this is a demo, and I just want to add some determinism. So yeah, none of these agents know about each other. The idea of there being a central hub is that all these other agents just need to know about this one. So we'll just say, hi, could you please connect to the agent at the local IP address, and then this particular port, because that's where that agent lives. And we'll copy that message so we don't have to do it twice. We'll send that over. And it just connected over. I haven't logged that in particular for this agent. But yeah, in the background, this agent said, here I am. And you'll notice that because, let's see, it knows that it's called the Central Hub. So some communication just took place. And now in the Network Explorer, we'll also say, please connect to this agent. Okay, great. Going well so far. Let's see how this next one goes. So we'll say, so the knowledge seeker is us. We are requesting something. This agent is acting on our behalf. When we switch terminals, like now we are acting on behalf, or we're acting as the network explorer or requesting stuff from it. So we'll go over to the knowledge seeker and say, please ask the central hub to remember me. Because right now, if we list the tools again, there are no agents that these are connected to, or this guy's connected to. More or less, clients can ask the central hub to, or ask to be connected to the central hub, but really that's just getting their agent card and getting recollection of them. So the central hub doesn't automatically store agents that have connected to it. We have to ask. Or I should say, please ask the central hub to remember the agent at, and I'm going to be putting in the IP address of this agent. And what happens here is this one will choose to communicate that, okay, that actually did not go correctly. Okay. Let's see, please ask the central hub to remember the agent at okay. Again, it's non-deterministic. There we go. So it's connected to the central hub, and it says successfully discovered and remembered the agent here, which is the knowledge agent. So that was a message from the central hub back to the knowledge seeker. And we can now do list agents, and there is the knowledge seeker. Okay, so the significance there is now the central hub knows about the knowledge seeker and has stored it in a database, right? So the central hub can now connect these two agents. So if we're in the Network Explorer, we can say, please ask the central hub agent what agents it has access to. And hopefully that just works. Let's see if it calls the right function. Fantastic. That doesn't always work. Non-determinism and all that. So yeah, now the Network Explorer knows about the knowledge seeker agent without ever directly talking to it. But here's the power of A2A. We can go back to the knowledge seeker and say, please ask the central hub agent to say hi on our behalf to the Network Explorer. And simply by nature of the knowledge seeker knowing the central hub and the central hub knowing the Network Explorer, this should work. Okay, so the central hub gets the message and then uses the LLM, and I shouldn't hold my breath. Okay. No, it got a little bit confused. So let's be more clear. What did we say? So, oh no. Okay, let's... Okay, so let's actually type in, please message the central hub agent and ask them to say hi on our behalf to the Network Explorer agent that they have, well, to any agent in its agent list. So let's see if this works. So theoretically, we don't know about the Network Explorer. Not quite. Well, okay, so what we showed is that, yeah, the agent card can be conveyed through the central hub. If we could coerce the central hub to talk with the Network Explorer via the knowledge seeker, that would be very nice. Oh, wait. Okay. Yeah. Oh, right. Okay, so we have to request from the Network Explorer to be remembered by the central hub in order to relay messages between them. That's somewhat reasonable. That's why the agent responded this way. Because it was like, oh, here you are. This is you. So that's fun. Okay. So please ask the central hub agent to remember me. Again, saying like me and you and all this confuses this system so far. Sort of, I just need to get the prompts right, but anyways, please ask the central hub agent to remember the agent at okay, so it's going to delegate to the central hub, and there we go. So now if we do tool agents, there we go, there are 2. So now the central hub can send messages. So we can say, please ask the central hub to send a message to the network, to all agents saying hello. So let's see if it refuses or something, because that might be a tall order. So it did say, ask the central hub to say hi to the other agent it knows about. Let's see if that works. More direct. No. It did give me the IP address of the other agent. So let's just say please connect to the agent at let's see if that works. Okay, great. Tell the Network Explorer hello. So I think I've over-optimized my system prompts, and so it's not relaying messages well. But what we just saw there is that the knowledge seeker was able to share their information with the central hub, as was the Network Explorer, and then the knowledge seeker was able to ask for, that's its purpose, ask for the agent list, and then using the IP address that it gained, was able to talk directly to the Network Explorer, which is sort of the hope of the central hub is that it can just let other agents know about each other. I have gotten the task to be shared between them, and then the answers relayed back. But I think I've over optimized the system prompt for the wrong purpose for this demo. So it is possible, it is working, but yeah. Anyways, that's the demonstration of the A2A Central Hub. If you have any questions, definitely go to the AgentToAgent subreddit. Specifically spelled out the words agent to agent. Namely, the other ones are a lot smaller, and I'm the moderator of AgentToAgent. We also have a Discord, so check that out. The link is posted on the subreddit. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm always on the Discord. Did I mention I'm a Reddit moderator? Anyways, look forward to hearing from y'all.